Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking beef steak with mushroom and onion gravy. Here are the ingredients. Beef steak, I chose sirloin, mushrooms, beef broth, cooking oil, flour, onions, butter, garlic, parsley, and also don't forget salt and black pepper to taste. You can check the proper measurement down below after finishing this video. Okay, first let's add the butter to a preheated skillet. Naka-preheat na po ito. I-melt lang natin itong butter. Okay, now let's add the cooking oil. The reason why we are adding the cooking oil is to avoid butter from burning. Now, let's add the beef steak. For 2 to 3 minutes per side until lightly brown. Oh, by the way, na-season ko na po ito kanina with salt and black pepper. Yan. Ito yung hinahanap natin color. At least 2 to 3 minutes per side. Okay, now let's remove the meat from the pan and set aside. Okay, in the same pan we can add a little bit more cooking oil if necessary. Now let's fry the garlic. Now let's fry the onions. Reduce the heat to medium habang pina-fry natin itong onions. I'm going to saute this for about a minute. Okay, now let's add the mushroom. Let's fry them a bit until golden brown. See, before, ang dami ng mushrooms, but now, nag-reduce na sila. And now let's add the flour. Unti-unti nating i-coat yung mushrooms sa flour. And once wala ng nagbabubble na flour, and that's the time that we can add our broth. Mix it thoroughly like this. Okay. Let's bring it to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, let's give it a taste. It tastes good. Okay, now that our gravy is thickened enough, we can now add the steak back into the pan. Yes, like this. Wow. I can add this steak juice. Okay, let's allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, after simmering for 3 minutes, here you go, guys. We have steak and mushroom with onion gravy. Ooh, oh la la. This is delicious. Okay, luto na po siya. Ililipat na natin sa isang serving plate at pwede na nating serve. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Happy cooking! Okay, ayan po ang ating finished product. Beef steak with mushroom and onion gravy.